What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mark. Welcome back to the channel. I'm over here, third day in a row at Original Auto. And in the last video you guys saw, we fired up the car and we had to change a few things that I didn't really know needed to be changed, and because we never started the car. We made some minor trimming to the fan shroud because it was kind of hitting a little bit. Car was misfiring a little bit because I had old coil packs, so I changed it to R34 coil packs, and now the car's sounding kind of good. We're gonna start the dyno tuning process with a lot of help from obviously Pablo himself and the guys over at Power Tune in Australia. So shout outs to you guys for helping with the whole MoTec thing. It's been definitely a challenge, this car and this build so far, mainly just because there's a lot of things that I'm doing that's not really been done before. Mainly the VCAM drive-by-wire with the MoTec, and that I'm keeping the ITBs and the whole HKS trigger thing. That was definitely a challenge. We still haven't figured that out yet. Like I said in the last video, MoTec's rewriting the software with the help of Power Tune so that we can put it on. So for right now, we have the 32 cam angle sensor on there and then the trigger. So we're just gonna tune it on that. So changing the trigger should not affect the tune later when I change it back and upgrade the software to accommodate for it. But yeah, let's see. I'm actually really curious how the surge sounds with the ARC box under some load, under some boost. Obviously we're gonna go through the whole, it's gonna probably take 7 hours to tune this thing properly for every single throttle. There's like different, I just saw the whole map, it's just fucking crazy. But let's just see what this motherfucker sounds like, guys. And then I'm gonna drive it after this. So we'll see, let's see what happens. The homie over here coming through with his S15. What's up? Can I drift yet? Can you tell them what's the special thing about MoTec mainly versus like if I were to went with a Haltech? Mainly?
It's more refined. It has a lot more tables that you gotta mess with, so it makes the car run better. The setup is nicer. It's way nicer. That's why you pay more money, because you get something better.
I never really realized that from a tuning perspective. I mean, the first thing that you told me that made the most sense is like, okay, it starts like an OEM car.
Yeah.
So that's like one of the first things that I was like, okay, that's kind of cool, but that can't be the only reason why it costs so much. So that's why I was just like, the fuck is that all about? Now I'm used to MoTec on my Huracan. I had MoTec on there, but I wasn't really involved in the tuning process like I'm on this build. So I'm kind of curious on what this shit's gonna sound like. Okay, we're gonna turn the wastegate down because the spring is a little too high for 91. So we're gonna turn it down real quick, and then I'm sure the sun's gonna go down by then. I will catch you guys when we do. I'll tell you exactly why I'll never sell this car.
Why?
I want a GTR forever.
Okay.
Forever. And the only way I'll sell this is if I can upgrade from it.
That's pretty hard to upgrade after this.
So the only upgrade to this, I wouldn't even call it an upgrade, because the Z-Tune's an upgrade. But I'm never driving it and I'm never modifying it. So in my opinion, this is the highest model car that I can actually upgrade. I mean, that I can actually modify, that I cannot upgrade from. So for that reason, I'm never selling it. Never selling it. Never. Never.
Until the right offer comes in.
I'm not selling it. I did. I'm not selling it. I did so much to this fucking car underneath the literally everything, bro. Everything. So this car is the car. So you guys don't ever have to worry about it leaving. It's never leaving. So unless I'm fucking broke on the street and I need $1 million, that's the only way I'll sell this car. So now E85 is in. Yeah, that's it. We're probably just gonna shoot for 550, something like that, and fucking call it a day. Anxiety. How many pounds was that?
Well, it's same as before, 14.
That's it? Sounds fucking crazy.
Yeah.
Maybe it's been a minute since I heard 14 pounds sounds like a lot. Like, it sounds like a lot more than 14 pounds.
That's 417, same boost. I just did it to check it. Yeah.
Oh, same boost, 417?
Yeah, just changing the fuel. That was what, like another 30
That
horsepower?
sounds like more than 14 pounds. That's crazy.
Yeah, I know.
I'm tripping. Guys, let me know if I should daily this. I'll do it.
$435.
How many pounds?
I don't know, that's what I'm gonna see. Same. Didn't go up. I gotta push it up a little more.
Oh, it's 14 pounds still?
I think it's like
15-ish?
a pound or more. 107.
One bar?
15 and a half.
Let me set the camera back here for once.
Going up.
Was that with beacon?
All beacon. That's why you hear is like spot on.
I gotta get the gauge cluster because that shit looks crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Sounded rich.
Yeah. That sounded like 500.
Sounded rich.
Same power, it went to rich.
Alright guys, car's on. We're about to drive it and go get gas. I'm gonna drive it super slow. I don't know how my alignment is, but the first drive video, you guys are gonna have to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and check back when I upload that, and I will definitely catch you guys on the next one. Peace.